Hello guys, gold is ranging between 4440 to 4380. That means $60 window is ranging now because there is no special calendar event in financial markets especially related to the USD, but FOMC decision will make an impact to the dollar and gold as well. And second thing is the geopolitical event, and third thing is demand and supply related to the gold. So from these three things, and we are going to conclude these three things, analyze these three things, and let's get the technical analysis as well, and getting the level which is a great level to buy or sell gold this week. So let's start today's gold weekly analysis. My name is Rahil Nawaz. Welcome to the Capital Coach. So my dear friend, as you see in my chart, there is no special calendar event related to the gold or dollar index. So that means market may be range. Let's start our analysis, technical analysis from monthly chart first. So as you see from monthly, gold open from 4,000 and gold makes new high 4,440. So right now 13 days left to close monthly candle. If we are talking about the weekly, last first of week of the August is very aggressively buy, but second is usually low impacted, and as expected to this current week as well. So that means we are expecting range trading on gold chart. So that means that's our strongest resistance at that time 4,440. So whenever market reach this level and reject from his resistance between 4,440 to 4,420, that means we get great opportunity to sell gold to the ranging area, especially 4350 or 4340 as well. So that is one of the favorite condition to trade in financial market, buy and sell between support and resistance, and you love this opportunity because that is less risky, because market is not high volatile, and so you're not going to lose any big amount of your account. So let's find out that hourly time frame as well. So I am talking about the hourly time frame. I draw a simple ranging area, support and resistance, and then simply I draw a triangle. Let me give you some idea of long term as well in H4 chart. These are the regression trend line which I draw. As you see, every time whenever market hit upper bar of our regression trend line, market go to rejection and give you some sweet profit taking areas. As same for the seller point of view, this whenever market hit is lower band, market go to rejection and market straightforwardly going upside to hit upper bands as well. So lower bands, upper band, and the middle band, the center band, which is our market pivot point as well. So the thing is, there is no trade on that line. Whenever market got our boat, market hit 4440, 4450, we are going to sell gold from the rejection of upper band or resistance band, or if market got low, and we are going to buy gold from lower band or support band, which is a great level to buy. It's a 4350, near about 4350. So that means we have a great opportunities to buy and sell gold from support and resistance, because there's no big calendar event. But here's a warning: we need to focus on Donald Trump tweets, because if Donald Trump said I'm going to attack on Iran, then gold will going to in pressure. And if Donald Trump said we are going to have negotiation and we are going to have contract with Iran, that's a good news, and gold may break upper band as well. So that's very simple. Trade with geopolitical events. You can analyze, you can follow the Iranian leadership twitters, and you can follow US top leadership Twitter handles. You can easily get the information. But here's the track: we need to track our Fed watch tool as well, and Federal Reserve all member, which is the almost 12 to 15 member. We need to track them. If rate hike probability is hiking or increasing, then that means dollar index is increasing. If no change is increasing day by day, that means it's not good for dollar index. So that is very simple formula. So we need to keep eye on dollar index or CME group Fed watch tool as well to get trades. But right now trading is really simple. We need to simply follow this support and resistance. Our good level areas to buy is 4360, 4350, and last area is to buy. This is the last area, 4300. So maybe market got rejection from this and hit 4300. That's our great level to buy as well. But if market going up on upside, it's also possible. Market may give you the chance to 4500 as well, but right now there is no major fundamental and technical events right now. That's why it's not possible, but that's a great level to sell from 4460, 4470 to 4480 as well. It's a great level to sell, and our target is $4300 as well. So trade is very simple right now. So trading is right now, it's very easy because of there is no big calendar event. If I am talking about the sharp entry, then sharp entry is on short time frame is a good 4400 rejection. If we got rejection from here, that's a good level to sell as well, and we can target on 4360 or 4380 as well. But there is no liquidity right now, no need to hurry, and always trade from a solid trading plan. Always follow your trading strategy, always follow your money management risk reward as well. For more info, you can visit forahilmas.com, and you may join our live stream on forexustad.com, and you may follow our WhatsApp channel as well. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you like our content, please hit the like button as well. Thank you very much. See you.